All right. Well, um, enough of the talk. So let's get to this. So I ordered this thing. I ordered this pair on 31st of July, and I kind of did the cuttings or the slicing of the of some of the packaging so that it's easier to go on with this thing with no interruption. All right, so here we go. The box itself, originally from Nike, obviously, because it already says "just do it," and it's got the swoosh on the shipping box. Awesome. And then here we go with the box. Flip it upside down. Wow. All right. Well, first of all, I would have been mad as hell if this thing was a different size because I would just find that out at the same time with you. But obviously, I got the right size. Let me double check. All right, I do have the right size. I got this thing on size 10 US, and as you can see, that side of the box has all the information. And then on top of the box, you'll see the Jumpman logo. And some of y'all, you probably already know where this thing is going to because of the pink box. Okay, um, so let's go and take a look at what's inside. As you can see, it has the tissue or paper that's unique from your typical paper from shoes that you'd get. Uh, I'll tell you what this paper is all about in a little bit after what I've seen on researches and everything. And then another paper comes with it. And before we get to that, let's just get to this already. They said that this pattern was derived from or taken from the coins that was used in China back in the days. And they're just kind of like put together to make this pattern and stuff. But this is actually derived from a coin. So, that being the case, you already know that there's something Chinese about this, not just probably where it's made, but as far as the shoe theme and colorway is concerned. Here we go. This, ladies and gents, is a pair of the Nike Air Jordan 13 CNY, aka Chinese New Year 2020. I know that this released long time ago. I think somewhere around Chinese New Year, which typically is around January or February, and I like this. I like this pair before. However, I didn't like the price. The price of this back then retailed at 12,000 pesos here, and that's around 220 or 250. So I kind of didn't like the price because it was a little bit pricey back then, and it wasn't something that sold off the shelf like so fast. You know, I mean, I was still able to cop it uh, now, which is uh, August. But I liked it. I liked it then, and I still like it now. But when the price hit that the part that I like, you know, I copped it, and I basically got it. Uh, I don't know, man, like 50 to 60% off. Uh, and I still have my size, so I immediately took advantage of that and got this pair. So this pair has been reviewed many times by many other people, and I'm not gonna try to go over the top or anything like that with their unboxing or reviews or anything. There's nothing else to review. All right, well, I just wanna take the time to look at this and look at every detail that this pair had or it has, and with you basically. So I mean, the pink kind of like gel or see-through uh, texture or design is really nice because it's not really like pure deep pink. It's kind of like pastel pink, okay? And then obviously the background of it is the this khaki colored or sand colored uh, suede. That's why you'll see parts of the pink or the background of the pink kind of like darkish. And then once again, you'll see the pattern on this panel of the coin that I was talking to you guys about here. But this is like embossed on a nice suede, but it's leather. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of like if you got a leather jacket, the outside would be the shiny part, but when you flip it, it's the textured side of the leather. And obviously, the work on this is way worth the price that I paid for, um, and the craftsmanship of this is dope too, man. I mean, it has everything that a 13 would normally have. You have the hologram at the bottom, and you have the carbon fiber thingy, uh, you know, on sole, and the tiger paw, uh, or yeah, and then this is different. It has this yin yang Jumpman on the tongue, and I know that the insole of this is a Jumpman. You see the pink Jumpman, and then I think the other one is different. Let me take a look at the other one. I know there are two different ones. Well, there you go. So yeah, just like what I predicted, or what I know, the bottom, I mean the insole of the other one is the pattern of the Chinese coins as well. So um, yeah, man. I mean, shoot, if I tell you that I got this pair for 5,100 plus shipping of 500, and it was 12,000. Dude, this is like a super steal, man. I mean, I like to play in a Jordan 13, and I like how it looks, and obviously the price is just right for me. Um, so yeah, man. I mean, I think that this pair would look really sick on, like, I don't know, man. I like wearing skinny jeans, and I'm thinking of rocking this thing with my ripped skinny jeans, and it would just look sick to me, you know. But other than that, guys, I mean, there's still some of these in the market. I think there's still some more in Nike.com. But if I were you, I would cop it at this moment. I don't know if this is something that I would think about selling down the road. I'm thinking of wearing this. But as far as if you just want to collect and keep it, I think this is a collector piece for for just how it looks and the uniqueness and stuff. I don't know if there was ever a pink Chinese New Year from the years back. I really don't think so. I might be wrong, but I think that this is probably the first one, the first pink Chinese New Year shoes. That's like that's with the combination like this, So it looks pretty clean. You got the white and the pink, and the beige or khaki or sand, and then the off white panels with the Chinese coins, and you got this off white also. As far as the color is concerned, not really off white, but the color is off white. Um, and you got the hologram. I mean, you got some nice details on this. Seriously, I would definitely recommend that you guys get this. But other than that, I mean, dang, there's really nothing else to say about this. But yeah, man, I mean, I like the shoe. This pair is awesome. I think that you know I would rock this thing like really really soon. All right, well, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'm gonna take some pictures of this pair, and I'll see you all in my next unboxing, man. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. Later, guys.